viewers, it's me Muhammad from Toby's and welcome back again with a new video, and thank you so much. You always appreciate our videos and like our products. So Toby's always did very hard to provide you best quality products. Thank you so much. And today I'm gonna show you TBS S40. So here you see this full metal body. So well guys, you can see here inside the copper chip for the heat reducing system. Very smooth fan, okay. See here CSP chip. So well guys, I hope you like this product. I love this product and I'm gonna show you in this tester how much a real watt. Okay, come here. Well guys, you see here is a 41.5 watt. So well guys, you can see here after 30 minutes, okay, still 40.3 watt. This is the original power and we give guarantee to this power to all our customers. So well guys, this is the TBS S40 watt. Very limited stock available, and if you want to make order, visit their outlets, Dragonmart branches, Amazon.com, Toby Souk, Noon, Alibaba as well, and we try our best to give you best service. Stay with us. See you next video. Bye bye.